In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Trello using the Team Gantt Power Up. This guide will take you through each step, ensuring you can efficiently manage your projects with this visual tool. To start, go to your Trello board. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Power Ups option. Usually this can be found in the menu at the top of your Trello interface. Click on it to open the Power Up section. This feature in Trello allows you to add various functionalities to your board, enhancing your workflow experience. Next, select Add Power-Ups. This will bring up a directory of available power-ups, all designed to increase the capabilities of your Trello board. In the search bar, type in Team Gantt. Team Gantt is a popular tool that integrates the powerful timeline capabilities of a Gantt chart directly into your Trello board, adding another layer of project management and visualization. When the search results appear, find Team Gantt and click on Add to enable it for your board. After that, you'll need to authorize Team Gantt. Look for the option to log in or create a free account. This is crucial because Team Gantt needs to verify your credentials to integrate seamlessly with your Trello account. You can either fill in your details manually or opt to sign in using your Google account if that's more convenient. Following your login, you might see a prompt to open an authorization pop-up. This step ensures that Team Gantt is granted permission to interact with your Trello data securely. After the pop-up appears, click on Allow to proceed with the necessary permissions. With Team Gantt now ready to go, select the auto option and click on your account when prompted. This finalizes the integration process, linking your Trello information with Team Gantt. Finally, you're set to view your Gantt chart, an invaluable tool for visualizing project timelines and ensuring all tasks are accounted for over the course of your project. Now go ahead and click on View Gantt Chart. Take a moment to explore this powerful feature. You can now see your Gantt chart directly from your Trello board. With this view, manage task dependencies, assign resources, and monitor progress with ease. Once you're familiarized with the Gantt chart interface, you can close the menu and explore more advanced options to customize your workflow. Don't forget to check out the View in Team Gantt Power Up option if you need more detailed insights offered by Team Gantt's standalone platform. View your project in the Gantt chart format by selecting View in Gantt Chart. This gives you the flexibility to manage your projects effectively across platforms, ensuring a comprehensive overview of tasks and deadlines. And there you have it, a Gantt chart directly in your Trello board, enhancing your project management experience.